That's for the video, and here is sister. So we have been talking about the DV Lottery 2026 for the past few days, okay? And now it is time for me to show you how you can participate or submit your forms for the DV Lottery 2026, okay? So first, make sure you are in eligible country, and if you don't know whether you are in eligible country or not, check in the comment section. I have made a video that can really tell you the countries that are eligible for this, okay? So check it out right there. After that, come here and then let's talk about how you can submit your form. Now, starting with the submission of forms, kindly make sure you like the video for me and subscribe for more videos right here on this platform. For every update that I get about the DV Lottery 2026, I will update you right here. So yes, stay tuned and like the video, and let's start and let me show you how you can submit your forms. But make sure that your details that you're using to create or to submit your form, fill your forms are correct. And let's start and let me show you how this is done. Let's go.
Okay, so check in the comment section or the description and then click on the link. When you click on the link, it will bring you right here, and then you scroll down from this side. Okay, so we have instructions that you will need to follow, and also the photo instruction that you also need to follow as well. Okay, but I've talked about everything right here. You can check them out in the description. Okay, and now you will tap on the begin entry. Okay, so if you're new, you have to subscribe. Okay, and if you face any issue whilst you are entering your DV Lottery details, kindly let me know right in the comment section, and then I will help you out with it. Then you tap on begin entry.
And please take note that you have only 30 minutes to complete this form. So make sure you do it within the time. Otherwise, the form will close and you will need to start everything. So make sure you have all details before you begin.
So when you come to this side, you scroll down and then you enter your authentication code. So you are going to enter these characters or this code right in this box. Okay, so what you see here is what you enter. You can tap on the speaker to listen to the words one after the other, or you can tap on this to change just in case you don't see it as well. So we have this one 94A4, but if you are someone who don't see this, you tap on this to reset or change it as well for you to give you proper one that you will see. We have this one 5 capital H capital D capital 9. Okay, so let's go by this one. You enter H right here to also prove that you are human. Okay, so after that you tap on the submit right here. So you're going to enter your information, and this is the part one of it. So the part one contains your name. Okay, so you enter your name, that is your last or the family name, your first name, and then also your middle name right here, and then you choose your gender. Okay, so if you're male, you choose right here. If you're female, you also choose right here. Okay, so you scroll down from here. We have the birth date, whereby you enter your month, day, and then the year as well, all right here in these boxes. Make sure everything is correct. Okay, then you scroll down, that you enter the city where you live. Okay, so you enter your birth city only. Do not enter district, county, province, or state. Okay, so your birth city, just enter it. Okay, so if you don't know, you can also take this box birth city unknown, but surely you will get to know of it. So you enter it right here, and then we have the country where you were born. So you will select your country as well. If you're from Ghana, you tap on it, and then you search for Ghana right here. So as I said from my first video, that if you are not in eligible country, you will not be able to enter. Yes, this is where you will not even get the option to choose your country. Okay, then you choose your country of eligibility for the DV program. So your country of eligibility will normally be the same as your country of birth. So where you were born is where you are eligible to either participate in the DV lottery or not. So that is one thing that will restrict you from entering the DV lottery 2026. Okay, so you have to claim eligibility of the country that you are selecting. So you tap on it right here, and then you will select it. Okay, but since that the place that you were born is the same as the country of eligibility for the DV program, you will not be able to either select a country right here. Okay, so take note of that. Then you scroll down from here, and then we have the option 7, which is the entrant photograph. You are going to take a picture, okay, a digital image that you are going to upload right here. And as I said in my first video, yes, the specifications for the photo. I gave everything, but you can check in the comment section. I have given the step-by-step guide on how you can get a digital image for your DVLOSHU 2026. Okay, so everything will be there. Check in the comment section for the description and know about that one. So you scroll down from here, you tap on the choose new photo, and then it will send it straight to your gallery. And then you go to the camera or the media picker, and then you select your photo right here, and you will continue with it from here. Then we have the mailing address. Okay, so we have this, which is in care of, which is optional. Okay, and then you can give your personal address line right here, address line 1, address line 2, but the address line 2 is optional, so you can only give one address line or 2. Then we have the city or town, you enter it right here, and then we have the district, county, or the province, state, you enter it right here. And then we have the postal code or the zip code. So if you're from Ghana, just enter this 00233. Okay, I know most Ghanaians will be asking me about the postal code or the zip code for Ghana. So this is it. If you're from Ghana, then you enter it. But if you're not, then you enter your postal code. But if you don't know, then you go to the option whereby we have no postal code or zip code. But most country or every country have their postal code or zip code. So just look for it and then you select it. Then we have the country right here, and then you select once more. Okay, now we have the country where you live, you also select right here, and then we have your phone number, which is optional, but I will say enter it. It will be very important as well for you to enter your phone number right here. But if you choose not to give out, yes, you have the opportunity to skip that part as well. And then we have the email address. Okay, you enter your email address right here, and then you confirm it down here. Note that this email will not be used to provide you with additional information if you are selected. So take note that when you are selected, you will not receive any information in your email. Okay, you will not receive any information. You will need to come back to the website, and then you will enter your confirmation code to check whether you were selected or not. Okay, so make sure you keep that code very safe. Okay, so take note, this is just for the entrance. Okay, so you are going to enter your email, and then you confirm it right here. And then we have, what is your highest level of education you have achieved as of today? So here you will select or choose from this side. Okay, and then you scroll down from here, and then we come to what is your current marital status. You select whether unmarried or married, but okay, so you look through any one of your choice, and then you put it right there. If a legally separated one, then you enter your spouse information right here. Okay, and then everything will be considered. Okay, yes, and we have the number of children. So the number of children include all biological children, legally adopted children, and stepchildren who are unmarried and under the age of 21 on the date you submit your entry. You must include all eligible children, even if they do not live with you or if they do not intend to apply for a diversity visa as your derivative. Failure to list all eligible children is grounds for disqualification. So make sure you list all your children, the number of children, biological children, legally adopted stepchildren. Just make sure you count them all, and then you include it right here. Okay, so you just enter, let's say 5, 6, 10, you enter it right here. Otherwise you will be disqualified. Okay, and if your child is a US citizen or lawfully permanent resident, do not list him or her in your entry. You know, this one will give you green card to US. So if the person is already in US, that means the person cannot be counted as not part or not a citizen of the US. Okay, so kindly make sure you check that one as well. Then the last thing to do is to tap on the continue right here, and after that you will submit your form. But make sure you print this page, okay, for your personal record. You will need to use your browser's print button for this. Okay, so kindly print this side, put it down, and wait till when the result is released. Okay, so after that you will tap on the submit right here, and then you will see success. Okay, so your entry for the 2026 diversity visa program was received on Wednesday, October 2nd, 2024 at this time. Okay, And please do not disclose this window until you have printed this confirmation page or made a record of your confirmation number. So right here you can take a screenshot. Okay, so you can take a screenshot right here, you put it somewhere. When they release the results, then you come here, you copy your confirmation number. So on this side you can see we have the entrant name, we have the confirmation number, the year of birth, and then the digital signature. Okay, so please either you print this page or make a record of the confirmation number before you close this window. You'll not be able to retrieve this number after you close it. So when you leave here without printing, okay, or taking a screenshot of this side, yes, you cannot get it again, and you cannot enter twice. So make sure you copy everything right here, put it down, and wait for the result to be released.